There's pretty much nothing in this world that a goose enjoys more than water. Anything water. Running water, as y'all can see. Big hit. Pools, ponds, lakes, obviously. But also bathtubs, rain, muddy puddles, foraging grass where it's wet. They will be covered in mud after a big rainstorm because they just enjoy playing in anything that has to do with water. And if I could afford it, and if water wasn't so darn expensive, I'd let water run all day. They could do this all day long because they love it. Hi, Kaiju. And I have noticed that these babies will choose a left-on water hose to play with over a pool any day. To play with. Not to bathe in, to play with. Because, I don't know if a lot of you people know this, but geese are actually very playful. Love playing. They get the zoomies just like dogs do. They're curious just like kitty cats. And they're very loyal. Very smart. And cute. Look at that. Kaiju's having a blast over here. Sticking her nose in the water. Having so much fun. Is it itching your nose? What do you keep doing if it's itching your nose, Kaiju? Kaiju! It's so much fun. Is it itchy your nose? She's scratching her nose after she does it a few times. Will you breathe, child? Kaiju! Is it itchy again?